Hi guys, John got his little koplin back after he submerged it in the mud. They had to put a brand new stator in because he's obviously submerged it. And these things are not really good in the mud, so John's going to come start it up.
Pretty much. Oh, it's not going to start.
A little gas. Go to the gas. It's gonna flood it. Right now it's in a cold setting. Ah, why'd it shut off? Hold on. Hear that gear? That's not good.
Show them how powerful it is in back.
Look at those beauty lights.
Guys, this is how powerful it is in reverse. This is so bad.
So there's a cold start for of John's 90cc koplin. And see you guys later. Bye.